Welcome to Understand the Math. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use power reduction formulas to rewrite higher powers of trig functions. The example that we're going to look at is to rewrite sine to the fourth x in terms of the first power of cosine. This type of problem comes up a lot in calculus. We need to first recognize that sine to the fourth x can be written as sine squared x squared. We can then use one of the power reduction formulas and plug in for sine squared x. This is equal to 1 minus cosine 2x divided by 2, and that becomes squared. To make things easier, we'll go ahead and bring out the 2 squared, which is 1/4. And then we have 1 minus cosine 2x quantity squared. This is equal to 1/4 times 1 minus 2 cosine 2x plus cosine squared of 2x. We'll now use a power reduction formula for cosine squared. We have cosine squared x is equal to 1 plus cosine 2x divided by 2. That tells us that cosine squared of 2x is equal to 1 plus cosine 4x, because we had to double the angle, all divided by 2. Let's now plug this in. This is equal to 1/4 times 1 minus 2 cosine 2x plus what we just calculated in purple. We have a 1/2 plus cosine 4x all divided by 2. We can combine our constants, multiply them by 1/4. So we have 1 plus 1/2 is 3/2 times 4 is 3/8 minus 1/2 cosine 2x plus 1/8 cosine 4x. And that's our final answer.
If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.